Hi, Jeannie here, and today I'm going to show you how to verify your YouTube channel so that you can upload new videos that are longer than 15 minutes. So if you've just created a YouTube channel, then you might see a message that says the video is too long if you upload something that's maybe an hour long. So you can go to the Learn More tab, and that gives you the documentation link to how to upload videos longer than 15 minutes. So in this case, what you'll want to do is verify your Google account by going to this link, and you can get a text message with the verification code. So we'll just put in a phone number and then get code. Okay, so you'll put in the code from your text message and verify. So it says it's now verified. And from here, we can go back now. Let's refresh this. And there's just a little tutorial here that you can close. And what you can do is delete the one that didn't fully upload, and you can try this again. So let's go to upload videos. Select videos or select files, and you'll select this from your computer and go to open. And you'll rename this video because it may not make sense what the file name is. So in this case, it's a Zoom replay. So Zoom just has all these extra numbers here. So you just want to give it a better label. Okay, so that's labeled, and from here you can add a playlist if you want. So let's create a playlist. It's a public one, and let's go to create. So let's save that there and go to done. It's not for kids, so you'll have to mark that on every single video, and let's go to next. You can also customize your settings so that might be your default. And then let's go to next. There's checks that you could do. So let's go to next, and I'm going to make this unlisted. Private means you have to have a login to this particular Google account to access that. Unlisted, anybody with that link would get it, and public, anybody on the internet basically will see it. So you can also schedule this for a future date, and this will be the link when it's done processing that you can send out to people who need this replay. So let's go to save. And it may take a little while to process, and you can close this if you want. And when it's done, it'll say public.